Right now, we're sitting in the perfect place for altcoin season, and I'm about to show you 10 altcoins that could potentially 10x your money. But here is the thing, this is not any financial advice, and these are high risk, high reward tokens, and you could lose everything. But if you're willing to take calculated risks with the money you can afford to lose, then stick around. Bitcoin is hitting new all-time highs, but here is what most people don't realize. The real money making is in the altcoins. And this picture here shows how the crypto cycle happens. First, Bitcoin makes big moves, and then the profit from Bitcoin gets rotated to Ethereum, which we are currently at, as Ethereum is now outperforming Bitcoin. The next phase is the large caps, when people start rotating the money from Ethereum to large caps like Solana, Cardano, and BNB. And the last phase is the micro caps. Like at this phase, every small crypto pumps regarding the fundamentals. And this is where FOMO kicks in and the retail enters as exit liquidity. And the retail FOMO hasn't kicked in because Coinbase isn't sitting at the number 1 at the Apple Store rankings right now. And we're going to make this like a challenge. We're going to hypothetically put $1,000 in each of these coins, and 1 month from now we're going to make a review to see whether we're in profit or not. And the first token I choose is Ando. They're the most legitimate RWA tokenizing assets platform out there. Right now it is sitting at $3.2 billion market cap. And what is Ando? Ando is the leader in tokenizing real-world assets, things like US treasuries and bonds, and bringing them on-chain. And this is huge because the US treasuries market alone is worth over $26 trillion. And they are literally mentioned in a White House report as core infrastructure for the future financial system. And they are already powering tokenized treasuries that anyone can access globally. And if they even capture a tiny slice of the $26 trillion market, the upside is massive. And the second one on the list is Render. Render runs the biggest decentralized GPU rendering network in crypto. Render basically connects the people who need the massive GPU power with the people who have spare GPU capacity, and all through the blockchain. And it's used by 3D artists, AI developers, and even Hollywood studios to process heavy graphics and AI workloads. And a $2 billion market cap, and with Nvidia's AI chips in crazy demand and traditional GPU access becoming expensive, Render's on-chain marketplace is solving a real supply problem. For example, this guy here used Render to render his 3D artwork, and he saved himself 30 hours of waiting for $50, and this is huge. And the third one on the list is Injective. Injective is a purpose-built layer 1 for finance. It's designed for zero gas transactions, lightning speed, and interoperability with Ethereum, Cosmos, and Solana. Big names like Binance Labs and Jump Crypto have backed it. And one huge catalyst for Injective is its potential to build a next-level decentralized derivatives platform and be a direct competitor to Hyperliquid. And Injective has already the tech to offer fully decentralized perpetuals and futures trading. And their ecosystem is growing by day. As you can see here, it's huge. And at the fourth place, I have Virtuals. Virtuals is a leader in the AI agent sector, and it's like Pump.fun but for AI agents. And these are autonomous digital personalities that can chat, trade, create content, or act as assistants. And to launch or buy an AI agent on Virtuals, you must use the Virtual token. And even if you pay in Ethereum, it routes through Virtual. And they already have working AI agents that people can deploy in Web3 environments. And with the AI and crypto narrative gaining speed, Virtuals could end up being the go-to platform for personal AI ownership. And right now it is sitting at under $1 billion market cap. And at the fifth place I have AETHIR. AETHIR is a relatively new crypto project at under $400 million market cap. It positions itself as a decentralized platform focusing on cloud computing and blockchain infrastructure. Its goal is to provide a scalable, efficient, and secure cloud computing environment powered by blockchain technology. And the cloud computing market is massive. It's over $500 billion. And blockchain-based decentralized cloud is an emerging trend. And if AETHIR successfully taps into this by providing cheaper, more secure, and censorship-resistant cloud services, it could capture significant market share. And their annual recurring revenue is growing each day. Right now it is at $156 million. At sixth place I chose Akash Network. Akash is at only $320 million market cap. They're a decentralized, open-source cloud computing marketplace built on the Cosmos blockchain. It enables users to buy and sell computing resources like GPU and CPU power, offering an alternative to centralized providers such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. And why did I choose Akash? Because the explosion of AI creates enormous demand for cost-effective and scalable GPU infrastructure, and their cheaper, decentralized model becomes highly competitive as the compute-intensive market expands. At the 7th place I have Ray, and Ray is a gem at under $200 million market cap. Ray is a platform for building, running and monetizing autonomous AI agents, and these are intelligent bots that can perform tasks, trade and manage digital assets. And it leverages the Base blockchain for secure, scalable and low-cost transactions. And why did I pick this on? Since Ray is built on the Base blockchain and Base blockchain is run by Coinbase, this coin can be listed on Coinbase and bring massive visibility. At the 8th place I have TBER. TBER is one of the most exciting AI agents right now on virtuals. Right now it's at $220 million market cap, and here's why it could easily 10x from this point. The project's founder, Mickey Malka, is a known master of market timing, dropping massive hints through his profile changes, buying IP rights like CryptoPunks, and strategically aligning with major players like Base, Crossmint, and Coinbase. And we're seeing big whale buys and wallet activity signaling an imminent exit from stealth mode, meaning TBER could soon hit major exchanges and explode in visibility. And this could potentially push it into the multi-billion-dollar range. At the 9th place I have RESEARCHCOIN. Research Hub is building a platform that allows anyone to earn crypto rewards for contributing new knowledge to the global scientific community. And users can earn RESEARCHCOIN for publishing new content to Research Hub, and the amount of the coin received is in proportion to how valuable other members of the community perceive the content to be. And why is this in my list? Because the backer of this coin is Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong. And when this token gets listed on Coinbase, it will get massive visibility. And the last on my list is GFAL. This is a gem at only $24 million market cap. And why is it in my list? They're a gaming studio founded by veterans from Blizzard, EA, and King. King is the company behind Candy Crush, and Blizzard is behind the games World of Warcraft and StarCraft. And they are building Web3 games where in-game assets are true NFTs that you can trade. And at this market cap, it's basically in venture capital territory for retail investors. And if one of their games hits mainstream success, this could easily be a 20x plus play. Alright, so that was the list for the 10 coins that I prepared for you for the upcoming altcoin season. And as I said, as this is a challenge, we're going to put $1,000 into each one of these projects. And if only one of these projects do a 10x, then you're at break even. So we're going to see you again in 1 month from now to see whether we're in profit or not. I created this list for you, so I want to see your comments which one is the favorite pick for you. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you next time.